back to Smart Architect. So in our previous videos we did how to plan your first floor, we did how to insert your windows, how to insert your doors, we did how to label your spaces as well. Okay, so this video we are going to learn how to insert your component and how to draw your roof for this project. So before we start, if you are new to this channel or today is your first time of seeing our videos, kindly hit on the notification button, like the video, subscribe to this channel and share the video as well. If you are confused about anything, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I think we can start now. So this is the first floor plan that we did earlier on. So before you insert your components, you go to architecture, you go to component, or you can use the shortcut which is CM. So you press CM on your keyboard. So let's insert our bath. But before that, you have to check your levels. I think this one is okay. Yes. Let me go back to the 3D. So you can see that the underlay range is still on, so you have to turn it off. So you select none, click apply. So CM on your keyboard. Click. Then you go to the property menu, you click on it, you search for your toilet domestic 3D, click on that, click. Yes. So I think we are done with this washroom, so let's come to bedroom 3. So CM, click, CM, go to the property, you click. You can see that this one is longer than the size of this room, so we have to reduce the size small. So we are going to click on it, then go to edit family. So you select the component, there. Click on load into what project. When this pop-up menu comes, you just have to click on overwrite the existing version. Okay, you can see that everything is going on now. So we are done with the washrooms. Let's come to bedroom 2, then insert the components for the bedroom 2. So CM, once again the shortcut is CM, or you go to architecture, you go to component. So once your command is active, you go to the property, you click on it, So I'll come here. So bed standard, double bed, click on it. So I don't like this position of the bed, so I'm going to use the space bar to rotate the bed. So you just have to press space bar. You can see that, yeah, this one is okay. So I'm going to use the same bed for bedroom 3. Okay, I think this one is okay. So the master bedroom as well. Okay, so we are done inserting the components. Let's go to the 3D and check how our component looks in the 3D view. Okay, so let's go back to the first floor plan. So you can see that the master bedroom, we have some space here. So we are going to use this as a walk-in closet that will serve for the master bedroom. So I'll just use detail line to draw it for now. Then I will put the link in the description so that you can download some of the components if you don't have it on your PC. So the shortcut for detail line is DL on your keyboard. So DL, you see that the command is active, then you choose line, click, let me use 900 or 700 is okay. So I'm going to measure the width, so DI to activate the dimension command. Click here. So you can see that when you come to the menu, the modify place dimension is at wall center, so you then have to change it to wall face. Good to go here. So you can see the rate is 2100. So the 2100, we are going to divide it by 3. Yes, 700. So I'm going to use the offset to offset this line. So the shortcut is either I go to the menu bar to choose the offset button, or I will just use the shortcut. Once again, the shortcut, it helps you to work faster. So I'll just press OF on the keyboard, then set the offset to what? When you come here, you see that we have what we call offset. I'll set it to 700. So 700, press enter on your keyboard, then come to this line, then click on it. You can see that yes, our division is going on here. So I'll turn this one into wall, this line. So you all know that the shortcut for wall is what? The WA. Then I'll choose the pick line, click on it, shift this one small to be in line. Now select this one. I have to check the height. So you can see the top constraint is at what unconnected, and the unconnected, the height is what 1300. Is too small, so let's choose something like 1500. Okay, so now we are done with the master bedroom. Okay, so let's insert the component for the washroom for the master bedroom. So CM on your keyboard to activate the component command. I'll scroll down, choose the toilet seat, 3D domestic. And CM again, choose the bathtub, 3D. Okay, so now you can see that we have to do some adjustment here. So let's check the distance between here and here. So this wall to this wall is what 825, so we can make it 700. So let's reduce the size for the bathtub small. To the width, let's make it 1400, or that will be the height. So let's make it 200. Let's make it 600 for the depth. Okay, so we can put this one small. So you can see that this balcony, there is no door leading to this balcony, so we have to link the balcony to the master bedroom with a door. So we're going to press DR on the keyboard to activate the door command, and choose the door interior single panel wood, click on it, go to edit, duplicate it, click OK, then change the width towards 700. The height is supposed to be 2100, sorry, click OK. Set your door. Good to go now. Everything is on point here. So let's go back to the 3D. You can go on and insert a lot of components, but then for now these are the common components that we are going to use. So let's go back to the 3D. You can see that everything is in there. So now we are going to draw the roof for this project. But before we start drawing the roof, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, like the video, comment in the comment section, also share it to your friends for them to also benefit from this video. Okay, So earlier on I said we are going to use hidden roof for this project. So we are going to draw our parapet wall. We are going to draw our concrete coping before we draw our roof gutters around the parapet before our roof will come and sit on the wall. So let's draw our parapet wall for now. Before you draw the parapet wall, you have to go to the one of the elevations. So I'm going to use the north elevation. So I'll double click on the north elevation. When it opens, this is what you are going to see. I will adjust the level small, then create a level for the parapet wall that we are going to draw. So I'll select one of the level, right click on it, go to create similar, click on it. I'll leave the cursor somewhere here, then type. So the height of the parapet wall that we are going to use is 1100. So I'll just type 1100 on the keyboard, then press enter. Then you draw the level here. So you have to change the name from level 7 towards parapet wall. So I'll label it parapet wall, parapet wall. Press enter. Yes. Then adjust this line to this side. Yes. So I'll go back to the 3D. Now I'm going to draw the parapet wall. So I'll select the wall. So it's either you go to architecture and go to wall, or use the shortcut. So the VA on the keyboard. Once the command is active, let's check if the thickness of the wall is 150. So I'll go to edit type. Okay, you can see that the width is already in 150 mm. So I'll close this one. Then I'll set the base constraint to what? Parapet wall. Base constraint. Check the 3D. So the base constraint should sit on the first floor ceiling, and the top constraint should end at the parapet wall. So let's go back to the 3D. So let me choose wall, the VA, base constraint, first floor ceiling, top constraint from unconnected to parapet wall, apply. I'll use the first floor plan to draw the walls. So I'll then use the pick line. That one is easier. So click, let's open the first floor ceiling. So you can see that nothing is showing here, but then we can bring in or let the first floor plan show, but then in faint line. So you have to go to the property. Scroll it down. You see what we call underlay. Then under the underlay, you are going to see range base level. You change it from none to first floor. Click on the first floor, apply. Now we have our first floor here. So WA on your keyboard, you select the pick line, you check your base constraint, your base constraints, you click, Don't forget that the parapet wall is going to be at the edges of the plan. not all the walls, just the edges. So you click, you click, you click, you click, you click, you click. Okay, so now we are coming to join the walls. Let me select this one. So click. So to join the walls, I'm going to use the trim. So the shortcut is what TR on your keyboard. So TR. Click on this one, click on this one, then you connect. You click on this one, you connect. You click on this one, you connect. You click on this one and you connect. You click on this, you connect. Click on this, you connect. You click on this, you connect. Okay, so let's check the 3D. Now you can see that your parapet wall is showing here. Parapet wall is showing here. Yeah. Yes. Okay, so once our parapet wall is showing, you just have to draw the roof data. But then the roof data, we are going to use the concrete slab to draw the roof data. So I'll view the project at the top view, click on top view, then I'll go to structure. Under structure, you see what you call slab. I'll click on the slab. So I'm going to draw the outline of the plan. So I'll select the pick line. Select, okay, I think this one is okay for now. So you click on this, you join using the trim, you join. Okay, so you can see that when you come to the property menu, the base constraint, the level is at what? Ground floor. Now it's supposed to be at the first floor ceiling, so I'll then change it to what? First floor ceiling. Sorry. Click on apply, check this, cancel it. So you rotate, you can see that we have the slab, but then the slab this time around is covering all the walls, but then it shouldn't be so. It shouldn't cover all the rooms. So we are going to set offset for it. So I'll select the slab, go to edit sketch, view it at the top, then choose what we call the pick line. Where we have the offset, I'll set the offset at what? 600. So I just have to click, 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 click. Yes, so I'll then join the lines. So what I'm going to use is what? Trim command. So I then use a shortcut, that's TR on your keyboard. So TR, then you join, 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 you join. Okay, so Now I can see that we have our offset, so I'll click on the check. Okay, let me check. Okay, we didn't join this part. I'll join it, take it. So this is our roof gutter. This is our roof gutter at 600. So let me go to the north elevation. You can see that the base is supposed to sit on what the first floor ceiling level, so I'll push it up a little bit to make sure that it is sitting on the level. Okay, now we are good to go. Let me go to the 3D. You can see that everything is going on here. Now our building is taking shape. Okay, so let's draw the roof before we do the concrete coping and also the wall that the roof will sit on. So before we do the roof, I'll go to architecture, go to roof, click on roof. But I'm going to use mono-pitch roof. If you don't know mono-pitch roof it slopes at one side. So I think the minimum you can make it, you can make the pitch 1 degrees, 2 degrees, 3, but I prefer 5 degrees. But then I'm going to make video on how to draw various types of roofs. We have the mono pitch, we have the gable, we have the sawtooth roof, we have the high pitch, we have the flat roof. I mean a lot. So I'm going to make video on that for you guys. So once you click on the roof, I'm going to set the base level to what? First floor ceiling. Apply. Then I'll sketch the roof using the outline. So pick line. I'll sketch. So I'm going to make it slope to one side, which is the back, which means all the front we don't need any slope. Well, what you see, the triangle that you see over there represents the slope, like defines the slope as well. So I'm going to select the ones that I don't want, then take the define slope. You can see this one is still active. I'll click on this one and take it, select this and take, select this and take. Yes, I think these are the ones that I want. So I have to click on the take line for it to be active. Then I'll select the roof, go to the property button, then change the slope to 5 degrees. So 5, enter. You can see that all the roof are not connected. So I'll double click on the roof, double click, select the roof, edit footprint. So I'll select this one and take the define slope, select this one as well and take the define slope. So once again I'll still double click, select this one and take it, so that we maintain just this. Okay, you can see that now everything is going on, but then the thickness of the roof is too much. So you are going to select the roof, go to edit type. You can see that the default thickness is what, 400. So I'll go to edit, go to thickness and change it to 12. Click OK. Yes, so I'll push it up a little bit. So let me go to the north elevation, then set the visual style to what, wireframe, and I'll push it up for it to sit on. Yes, then push it up. Okay, go back to the 3D now. You can see that your roof is active, is going on. Don't forget that you can change the color of your roof. So if you want to change the color to maybe wine or something, you just have to select the roof, go to edit type, go to edit, where you have the material by category. You just have to click on it, wait small. When the pop-up menu comes, you then select your materials. That's what, aluminium. Select aluminium, the color and the graphics. I'll change it to what, wine. Click OK, apply, OK. Yes, you can see that we have our roof. So we are not done. We have to draw the wall that the roof will sit on. So you are going to view it at the top, then press WA on the keyboard. So I have to save my project. Save your project. Then the base constraint is at first floor ceiling. Okay, then the top constraint is at parapet wall, but this time around it won't be at the parapet wall, so you just have to select unconnected, apply. Okay, so I'll select the pick line, then select this line, select just the edges. Okay, select. Okay, so I'm going to use the align to make sure that the walls will be in line with what, the roof. So I can also use the arrow keys to set it. So I think this one is okay. Select this wall, push it. This one is okay. Select, push it. My mouse is feeling small. Select, push it small. Select this, 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 push it. Push it small. Push it small. Yes. So once you get that, you can see that it is longer than the parapet wall, but then it should end at where the roof is. So I'm going to select all the walls that I drawn. So this wall, you just have to hold control, then you select, 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 you select. Then you choose what we call attach top what or base. So you select that. Then you select the roof, the roof, the roof. This is the roof. You select it. You can see that yes, it is sitting. The roof is sitting on it. You can see that. You can see that. Yes, 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 yes. Exactly. So now we are done drawing our roof. We are done drawing our roof gutter. What we are left with is the concrete coping. So the concrete coping, I'll select the one of the elevation. Once again, I'm going to use the north elevation. Click on the north elevation. Select this slab. Let me change the visual style to hidden. Select this slab. Then I'm going to copy and paste this slab. So I'll go to the menu, select copy. Now click on the edge, then bring it up. The line is supposed to be straight, don't forget. Okay, yes. So it should sit on the wall. You can see that it is sitting on the wall. It is sitting on the wall. Push it here. So yes. Now go back to the 3D. Rotate it small. So this time around, I'm going to select it. Go to edit sketch. I'm going to edit it. It should exceed the wall. So I'm going to change the dimension to what by what it should exceed the wall by what 150. So the distance between the line and the wall is 150. So we are going to add 150 to it. So the distance or the rate is going to be what 300. So we just have to type 300. Enter. Select this one as well. Select the line. You type 300. Select this. So this one, 2, it should be 150 here because initially it was 450. So this one, 2, 150 here, 150 here, 300. So another 150 will make it 450. 450. Yes. 600, so we change it to what 150, 150, 150, 150. Yes, 150. And this one will go, this one will be 300. I hope you are following what we are doing now. Okay, so 600, we change it to what 150. Okay, so the wall is 150, so it's supposed to be 300. Adding 150 to it, and this one will go to this side, so adding 150 to it will be 450. Adding 150 to it will be 300. This one will become subtracting 150, so 600. Oh, 500. Sorry, it's not 600. So 150, 150. Okay, so 450 rather, 450. Select this one, 450. So this one is supposed to go to this side, 150. So 300 in all supposed to be. So this one will be 150. Okay, hope you are following. This one, so 300. This one 150. This one 150. So it's supposed to be 300. This one will go to the side, so adding 150 to it, so 450. This one, okay, so this one 300. This one 300, so 450. So this one, change it to what? 450. Change this one to 300. Now this one will become 150. Change this one to 100. So now this one becomes what? 450. See the stress? Let me increase this one, so 300. So this one will become what? 450. So 300. So 150. So now we are done. So you just have to take it, rotate it. You can see that your coping is sitting on the wall, the parapet wall. Yes, parapet wall. Yes, exactly. Okay, so we are done with the coping, concrete coping. Once again, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, like the video, and also comment in the comment section. Per our analysis, we saw that 4,000 plus people have watched our video, but then they did not subscribe. So if you are part of the 4,000 plus, kindly subscribe to this channel, like the video, click on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to see our video once it is uploaded. Okay, so now we are done with the roof, we are done with the concrete scoping, we are done with the roof gutter. So you can see that the balcony side, we don't have any shed or any slab on it, so we are going to use slab on what? The balcony. So I'm going to copy the slab, view it at the front. So click on the copy command, click on it, bring it here, and push it up a little bit. Yes. So let me rotate. Okay, so I'll double click on it, then choose the align AL on your keyboard and select this line. It should be in line with this. It is small. Select this line. And view it on the top. Sorry. So select this line. Select. Okay. So now it's in line. Then you take. Okay, so you can see that there is nothing, or the slab is what? Hanging. There is nothing holding it, so we have to draw a column here which will hold the slab in position. You have to draw a column. We have so many types of column, so I'm going to use square column for this project. So I'll go back to what? The ground floor plan. So the FL, double click on it. So you can see the balcony is at this side. balcony is at this side. So I'm going to draw a column here. So I'm going to go to architecture, go to what column, select it. You can see that by default it will give me this, but then I'll go to load family, go to columns. So we have what wooden columns, but then you can change the material to what concrete. So you just have to select the wooden column. So yes, I mean you have to because it is under structure, you have to go to structure, go to what columns, select the columns, yes, then go to I don't know why it is doing that, but then so let me go to back to architecture. So the columns, you have structure and architecture, so I'm going to choose architecture columns, yes. So the rectangular column is active, but then I said square, so I'm going to use 200 by 200 column. So I'll change the width to what 200, and I'll change the depth to what 200, and I'll click apply. Okay, then I'll stand here and click, go back to the 3D. You can see that the column is here, and then I want it to end at what the first floor ceiling. So I'll select the top constraint to what, or top level to what, first floor ceiling. You can see that yes, our wall is okay. So you can see that yes, now we are done drawing our roof, drawing our columns, drawing our slab, drawing our roof gutter, inserting our components in our project. So you come to the facade design and also the landscape. So I think we are going to end here. In our next video, we are going to design the facade. We are going to design the facade. I mean, the building will look very interesting. And also we are going to design our landscape, where we are going to draw our hard landscape and our soft landscape, where we are going to position our car park and all that. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because if you don't subscribe, you are now going to, when we upload the next video, we are now going to search through, I mean you are going you are going to pass through a lot of stress. So just subscribe, kindly subscribe, like the video. And okay, so if you are confused about anything, let me know in the comment section. Also, I want you to rate this project for me, like where we've gotten so far. Rate it in the comment section for me. Click on the notification button as well. Okay, so see you in our next video. I'll say bye bye for now. Okay, so thank you.